Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you how you can quickly create a journey on the Cemantica platform. So you can either start from the home page, start new journey map, or you can go directly to the journey map folder here and hit new. Then you have to give a name to your journey and you can select from Cemantica template. So you have a blank template, which is completely empty, detailed template with swim lane that we have selected for you, the service blueprint template, the journey portfolio, and the high level. It's few swim lane that we have selected for you. You also have the opportunity to create your own template. So imagine you already have created your templates and you can pick and choose the template of your organization. So here I'm going to choose the detail one. Then I can select a persona associated to this new journey I'm created and I hit create journey map. So you can see the journey with the pre-selected swim lane. Let me close them so you can see all of them. All the pre-selected, swim lane in the detailed template. Then you can decide, for example, that KPI is not relevant, then you can delete it. Of course, you can always readjust. All right, so you see, quickly done and very simple. If you want more information, you can go on our website, cemantica.com, or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.